Following our long-term collaboration between Universidad Europea and Bartlett School, we are celebrating this workshop, looking for the limits of our technology and our design capabilities in order to push how architecture can help society to grow in a changing environment. We made an open call for international students, so we have a group from Europe, Central Africa and Middle East.
We defined a bit of a fun brief which looks at objects of the mundane, and we ask the students to question the objects they use every day and their new kind of imaginative futures.
Something that for us is quite important is to not understand technology as something optimized and rationalized, but much more as something that can misbehave. And this idea of misbehavior is what we were trying to input into the behavior of the landscape.
I think this workshop really introduces you to a whole vast new variety of tools and really be able to explore those on the cutting edge front of manufacturing and fabrication.
This is the first time I have seen these technologies used in an industry on such a scale and such amounts of robots really running on a level which can kind of supply the market. So I think that was really cool.
Having the chance to collaborate with a real company, with a real enterprise, it makes your research very tangible and very real and very urgent in a sense.
And it was amazing. I think the environment of the workshop was really different to many workshops I had the same experience.
For us, it has been an incredibly enriching experience. I think we've printed things that we wouldn't have printed without you, of course. So I hope this is the beginning of a long journey for all of us.
I've seen incredible student work which is really pushing the boundaries of the technologies that we can use today. And it's just for me incredibly fascinating to see what in a very short period of time the students have accomplished.
And I think overall it's been a really successful and enriching opportunity.
And it's really good to just see a whole range of different approaches to the architectural space. This kind of spectrum is something that's very unique to a broad range of different architectural approaches and not necessarily something you'd get in one school.